Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Holwood. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be making freshly squeezed tangerine juice. Oh yeah, this is what we're making today, and I will be using 3 main ingredients to make this freshly tangerine juice, which is rich in vitamin C. The first ingredient I'll be using is the tangerine. Oh yes, then I will also be using the ginger. Then I have my bottles. Then I'll be adding water to blend. These are the 3 main ingredients that I'll be using to make this freshly tangerine juice. Oh yes. So the first thing I did was to wash the tangerines and actually to peel off the back of the tangerine. And this is what exactly I'm doing now. You want to make sure that you peel it off very well. You get rid of all the line marks, which can actually add some taste to your juice. And the next thing I did was to cut off the ginger. After cutting it off, I wash it. Then I cut it into smaller chunks, which will be easier for me to blend. Then I have my water. Then I have the blender. Then I begin to put the tangerine in the blender. Then I added few ginger. Then I added tangerine again. And now I added water. I have water in that cup. Then I'll be blending. So I blend these 3 main ingredients together to make this freshly juice. And after this is done, my first set of juice is ready. This juice is ready, and this is well blended using my vitamins blender. And now I have the first set of the juice, and this is actually very rich in vitamin C and also very loaded. And you can do this, store it in your refrigerator for your family. Now I will be doing the second batch of the freshly tangerine juice. I pour the tangerine inside a blender. Then I added the ginger, the cut ginger, and now I added the remaining tangerine. Then I added water. Then I blended this. Oh yeah, this juice is actually very rich in nutrient, vitamins, and also it can help your family. So now this juice is ready. The next thing I'll be doing is to add it into this bottle. I got this bottle from Walmart. You can actually get any airtight container, and you can store this juice in your refrigerator for up to 2 days. Just make sure that you fill it to the brim so that you preserve the freshness of the juice. And I have the remaining. I added some ice into the cup, and I will be adding the juice. You can see this was well blended, and this freshly juice is ready. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video with your loved ones. Until next time, when I come your way, it is your girl Cecelia. I love you, and this is my daughter attesting to it that the juice is very good. I love you all. Bye for now.